Today we're going to replace our rear brake pads on the Range Rover 2016. Before we get started, we need to put this car into the service mode. So here we go. The first thing we do is hold down the e-brake for about 2 seconds, then press down your accelerator all the way down for about 2 seconds, then turn off and on immediately. And wait for a couple seconds until you see the maintenance mode is enabled. Now you can proceed to remove your tires to get ready to replace your brakes. The first things you need to do is to remove the 2 bolts in the back with a 10mm Allen wrench. Once the 2 bolts are removed, then you can proceed to take off the spring and remove the brake pads. So here we're going to compress the caliper in so we can get ready to install the new one. Once the old pads are out, we replace it with the new one and reinstall everything back on in reverse order. So here we go. Okay, that's good. So we just got this one put back on. It was a bugger to try to put this back on, but we got it, I think. Okay, there you go. Now that we have completed the installation of the new pads, we need to put the car back into its normal mode. So the first thing we do is to again go back to the same e-brake, but this time we do the opposite. Instead of pushing, we will now pull on this switch. And as we press down the accelerator all the way down for about 2 seconds, we switch the car off and then on quickly and wait. Here we go. We're back and ready to go.